For over 30 years now, Anthony, Kansas has been the home of Celco, one of the most advanced electropolishing service and passivation companies. The precise demands of the vast metal finishing projects undertaken by Celco all begin inside these walls. A process that was founded and forged by the Bellasine family in 1986 in a single 3,000 square foot building. Celco has now grown to 6 buildings and 70,000 square feet. This is where a superior process leads to a superior finish. No matter the size or shape of the metal surface, Celco has the expertise and equipment to tackle the project. Celco specializes in electropolishing, passivation, oxygen cleaning, as well as aqueous cleaning and degreasing, and mechanical finishing. You might be interested to know the types of industries that have entrusted Celco to the steadfast requirements of metal finishing, requirements that Celco chooses not to meet, but exceed. As you can see, it is an impressive list of industries that touch all of our lives on a daily basis.
We have a kind of a saying around here that really you name an industry, we've done work in it. You know, we've even done work on rockets, the space station. You know, we've done some sensitive work for the government.
Add to that our rapid turnaround times and our 100% satisfaction guarantee. And it's easy to see why Celco is one of the world's most advanced electropolishing service and passivation companies. And what do Celco's customers have to say?
Well, number one is the quality of their work. They handle my products, inspect them with care, and we don't return things here before they go to the customer. So when I send them there, I never have to worry about them again.
And we rely on them heavy because it is the last line. Because not only do they electropolish it, they will package the part. So actually trusting them, we bring it back, put it in our bin, take it out of inventory and ship it. They're actually the last one to see our part. So we do rely very heavily on their eyes, their experience.
To learn more about Celco, Central Electropolishing Company, you can visit us online at celcoinc.com or call us to request a quote. You'll see for yourself why we say a superior process leads to a superior finish.